everyone, my name is Chaitra Ajit and welcome to my channel Mom Pop Tales. So this channel is all about parenting topics.
So let's unbox the Bright Star kit from the class monitor. So I purchased this kit directly from one of the class monitor team, and this kit is also available on Amazon. I shall try to post the Amazon link in the description box below. I got this kit for around 1100 rupees, and this kit is for 0 to 1 year old. I have removed the packaging of the box. The packaging of the box was really very good. So let's get started to check what's there inside the box. But before we get into the box, if I turn it to the back, let's see what all it states. So it says that this beautifully designed box contains activities of the cognitive development, motor skill development and social emotional growth of infants aged from 0 to 12 months. So what's inside this box? It says that it has a 40 high contrast cards, 20 milestone cards, 2 keepsake cards, DIY hanging mobile, lacing board, Velcro board and guidebook, shape cutouts, Velcro stickers, textures card. So if you see it also shows the images what are being there inside. And also it says that it includes a year-long subscription of the app, where they provide a digital guide for the parents, also give the activity hints and solutions. You can ask your experts and connect and share with the other parents. They've also provided their website link, the app link. I have not yet subscribed to this app yet, so I cannot really tell what all guidance and how it has been available. So today it will be only about the what all this kit contains. So we're gonna open the box. Okay, there's also a QR code scanner over here where you can download their app either from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. Okay. So within the box we have this high contrast cards. Just and you could say the length of the card is almost my length of my palm. Okay, keeping this aside. So next we have this set of 28 cards, flash cards, which I am. So here this is the combination of the black and white as well as the colorful cards. So it has only on the front side, we have the plain side on the back. The same goes with those high contrast cards. I'm going to keep this aside. So even these high contrast cards are plain at the back. So a single card contains only one picture, and this card also contains only one picture per card. So moving ahead, next one what we have is the teddy bear stand, which contains the texture cards. I'm just gonna remove this. And if you see, this is made out of the cardboard. Yes, it's made of the cardboard, and backside you have the kind of a stand where you can keep it straight. And inside this we have this textures, various textures. With the Velcro at the back, where you can also use this on the texture mat, which I'll show you in a while. There's a foam board, there's a card sheet, so various shape, the feel. So totally we have 6 texture cards with the stand, teddy bear stand. Okay. Coming for the next one, this is the DIY hanging mobile over here. So which contains some pom-poms over here. Really very good quality pom-poms. Some cardboards, star drawings, the space elements to build up your own hanging mobile. You also have a thread. This is a woolen thread they have provided. So going to keep this aside. So we have this cards, moon, stars with some blue, pink pom-poms over here. So next, okay, this should have been at the start, where there's a message which says that what all this box contains. So far we have seen the high contrast flash cards, the hanging mobile, and let's see what else we do have. I guess probably I had already opened this box earlier, maybe because I might have kept it this at the bottom. So this is actually what it comes on the top of the box. So next we have this where it says that early education platform for children. The product catalog has also been provided, where it shows as per the age group what all are the kits available, and also the prices being given along with that. So they do also have the live classes. I guess this would be the part of the app. Okay. There's also a coupon code. You could use this coupon code. I shall also post this coupon code in the description below, where you could avail a 10% discount on the kits. They've also provided their website and also the contact number. So moving ahead, next we have this DIY Velcro board guidebook. Let me just see, where is the Velcro board? Okay, so this is the texture mat. Okay, here. So now we do have this Velcro board. Simple small, it is a square board which has the 4 box to use or to attach those Velcro shapes. So this is also having the Velcro portion, and it is being given with the guidebook, and these are those shapes which will be helpful to stick onto your Velcro board. And this provides the guidebook where you can show your infant Based on that, they can pick the same geometrics and stick onto the Velcro board. Let me just open one and show how is the sturdiness of the Velcro. Okay, let me just take this off at the side, and okay, just taking in any one where I have this purple, or you can say it as a blue, and I have a 2 green in this, and I'm gonna stick this, just giving a closer look. Yes, it is sturdy enough, it's not gonna fall. Yes, good one. So we have so many cards, the geometrics cards being given for the Velcro board. This comes along with the guidebook, where your infant can see as per the guidance and stick. Okay. Next one, we have the texture mat. So this texture mat and what is being given along with this teddy bear texture. So the same texture mats we are going to use over here. Like I said, these already had the Velcro, so you can later use them. Not just this, I guess you can also prepare your own texture mats with the Velcro that you could stick. You could prepare your own Velcro thing and also stick to this texture mat. Even that can be helpful. And next we have this lacing board. They have also provided a lace. Yes. It is the lengthwise, like it's more than a shoelace. Almost same or a little more than a shoelace. And you can use the lacing board. Just for the all colors, or if you want to develop just based on the color identification. Yes, so this was about the lacing board. Then we have this milestone cards. I have this 20 milestone cards. Okay, where on the front side you have what is it about, and you can post a pic at the back of the poster with the date and what all memories you have of that particular day. You have about half birthday, some special moments, my first step. And if I show you, this card is neither thick nor thin. You can post and you can use directly these cards onto your baby scrapbook. Then we have this, I should come to this at the last. Then we have this keepsake cards, where you can just use that ink pad of your tiny feet and tiny hand over here, and you could keep it cherish it forever ever. So we do have these cards also, which can be again put it in the baby scrapbook. And then last, they have also provided with the milestone poster what happens, what all, how the physical activities, the language, communication, sensory, milestone, cognitive, social and emotional things as per the age of the infant. This is up to 1 year. Yeah, that's all in this box. This goes a milestone. Then you have this lace card along with the lace provided. Then we have this texture mat cards. We have this guidance book along with those geometrics. Then we have what all are the products from the class monitors. Then we have this DIY mobile hanging, and 2 sets of the one high contact cards and one with the high contacts along with the color cards, and a teddy bear card. Yes. Now speaking about the price, where it says it is for 1100, I would say it's a good go to purchase this. But there could be one suggestion to the class monitor team, where there's a keepsake cards of the tiny feet to imprint those legs and hands on those keepsake cards. If they would have also provided a ink pad along with this box, that could be perfect. Because purchasing an ink pad again externally and then using it, if it has been provided along with the kit, it would become a apt kit. If I speak about the card thickness, it's neither thin nor thick cardboard, so it is an average card. Yes, this can be teared easily, so that's what I checked. So it can be easily torn off. This cardboard is perfect. Yes, so that box, but for a level 1100 price range, this kit is a good go to buy. And this is not a sponsored video, so I'm doing this video just to review this product. Yes, this is it all about the Bright Star class monitor. That's all for today. See you next time. Until then, like, share and subscribe this video. See you.